Welcome to Phone Transformer. Today I'll show you exactly how to find GPS coordinates with Google Maps so you can quickly get the precise location of any place. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Maps on your device. This app comes pre-installed on most smartphones and lets you explore the world, search for places and find directions easily. Opening it is the first step to accessing the coordinates you need. Step 2. Find the location you want the GPS coordinates for. You can search for an address, landmark, or even a random spot on the map. This helps you focus on the exact point you want to locate. Step 3. Make a long press on the location. By pressing and holding, Google Maps will drop a pin on that spot, which is essential to identify the exact coordinates. Step 4. When a pin drops, tap on Dropped Pin. This action opens a small panel with detailed information about the location, including its latitude and longitude. Step 5. The GPS coordinates will be displayed. These numbers represent the exact position of the location on the planet, and they are crucial if you want to share or save the location accurately. Step 6. Hold down on the coordinates and select Copy to save them to your clipboard. Now you can paste them anywhere you like, whether in a message, document, or GPS app for easy navigation. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful tips.